Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SD card into your Redmi Pad Pro. So you have to use a SIM tray key, just like this one, and then pick up your device and put your SIM tray key into this hole next to your SIM tray. And now your SIM tray should pop up and you can pull it out of your device. And now you have to place your SD card on your SIM tray, like this. And now put your SIM tray back into your device. And now, as you can see, my device recognized SD card. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.